Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming battery health and transmitter readiness. This avoids mid-flight failures. Power the transmitter, then the helicopter so the radio link establishes cleanly. Once on, run compass and gyro calibration, follow LED cues, and perform a short motor spin at low throttle to verify ESC response. You'll notice any abnormal vibrations early. Make small stick inputs to confirm control surface direction. If any axis reverses, correct it in the transmitter before attempting lift. You lift off using gradual collective increases to reach a stable hover. Sudden full throttle induces torque and drift. Once airborne, trim cyclic so the helicopter holds position without constant stick correction, and keep an eye on rotor RPM and motor temperature to prevent overload. Use small, deliberate yaw inputs and let the aircraft settle between commands so you learn its inertia. Transition slowly to forward flight by adding slight cyclic forward and increasing collective to maintain altitude. Smoothness is key for precise control. You finish by executing a controlled descent. Lower collective in measured steps while correcting for drift with cyclic inputs so touchdown is gentle. Maintain throttle until skids touch, then cut motor power. Power down the transmitter only after the helicopter is fully off. If you encounter instability, wobble, oscillation, or hard yaw, land immediately and inspect gyro gains, motor mounts, and rotor blade balance because vibration and improper gains are the most common causes. Adjust one parameter at a time and retest in a hover.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.